So we bought two properties this week. We have bought a hoarder's house and we bought what's a cosmetic flip. And we're trying to do a little bit of compare and contrast. So this is the hoarder's house we bought. It's in Townsend, Delaware. The first time ever in our 9 years of business that we've done something in the school district we live in. So I'm going to walk around and kind of show you what it's like to buy a hoarder's house. You can see there is a ton of work that needs to be done to the exterior, but most of it really just comes down to we have to clear out all these trees, all this brush. That's a big job. All right, so if you look back, we have a ton of trees and shrubs in the way. We can't really get to the house, can't get the foundation of the siding. And the thing that's bothering me is the electrical cable that goes overhead for the service is caught up in all the trees. So that's one of the first things we have to get done is kind of clear out so we can see what needs to be done around here. Look behind me, we have a ton of trash everywhere. And we'll kind of walk around. They left cars, which they were nice enough to give us the title, thank God. Boats, outdoor bathtubs, and this is kind of your standard stuff that you get when you buy one of these. It's not as bad as it looks with the demo.